Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is May 25th, 2020. Going to give you all this update on Nikola Motor, ticker symbol VTIQ. Last time we did our video in this particular company was on May the 17th of 2020. And we were looking for the market to continue to move high. We knew that the market trapper was trying to push the value of this stock higher, and literally that's how the market has played out since that video. Now, if this is your first time watching our video, you guys see how easy it is to forecast and predict where prices are likely to go. Before you leave, make sure you hit that like button, share the video, and also subscribe to this channel. Follow us on our website, HueFinancial.com, in order to stay abreast of what's really going on in the stock market without being confused, because that's what we're going to do, and that's what we're going to show you on this video, to show you why Nikola Motors is still a buy. And this is the reason why. We're going to do this all by looking at the price chart without being confused on multiple time frames, to show you precisely why the market trapper is trying to push the value of this stock higher. All right, so let's go ahead and get started in that. Now, when we did our video on the 17th of May, you guys can tell that we're looking for the market in Nikola Motor to move higher, and it was over the weekend, right? So when the market first opened on the 18th of May, we started all the way up here at the open of $23.20. Market topped out as a high on that day at $23.72, and then we saw the market drop. Okay, now yes, the weakness did play out into the market in Nikola on that particular day, but then $21 still held itself as support as we traded throughout the day all the way into the 19th of May. That's very positive to see that. So let me show you from a daily perspective as to what really occurred. And then on the following day, on the 19th, is where the market in Nikola Motors actually closed higher than what we were expecting the market to do. So even though we initially started to see weakness in Nikola Motors, and we was vying for the market to hold support at $22, it found support at $20, which is fine because we closed off the low on that particular day, which lets you know that the market trapper is still trying to push this value of the stock higher. And that's precisely what occurred. So even if you wasn't able to grab out that profit on the 4 to 5 minute chart, just a little while longer, you guys would have gotten 5.5% out this space on the 19th. So a 2-day span, 5.5% into the market, or if you stayed into the market on the close of the 19th, you could have got 12.61%. So either way it go, we saw the market move higher, period. Simple. 12.61% or 5.5% could have been in your pocket right now. All right, so let's get rid of that. Now, one thing I want to do before I get started is we need to reevaluate how we have this line on this price chart, because the market generally is not following this overall trend that we have drawn. So let's take it down here and then we're going to move it a little bit further to the south, because this is the actual trend that Nikola Motors is following. All right, so this is how we're going to play the market in Nikola Motors now. Now I'm going to show you why this stock is going to continue to move higher in price based off the market trapper's footsteps. All right, he left us a path, and I'm going to show you on the weekly time frame why that is. So this is the reason why this stock is still poised to continuously move higher in price. Did you see what happened on the week of May the 11th, 2020? The market closed well off the highs. So that lets you know that there was a lot of selling going on that particular week. But look what happened the next week. The market was still able to close higher than the close from the previous week. So that tells you that there's a lot more strength into the market than there is weakness as of this particular moment. This is the reason why the market trapper is going to try to continue to push the value of this stock higher. That's it. On a monthly basis, even on the daily time frame, you guys can still tell that the market did see weakness on the 20th, but we didn't close the next following day lower than that day. So the market strength is still here in this stock. This is the reason why we are going to continue to pursue market strength and movement higher for this company. All right, we're going to play this on the 4-hour chart though for the market to continue to see that movement higher, and we're going to hold that support around our ascending line, which is around $24. I won't be surprised if you get a very quick touch at 23, but generally overall the trend is still one of movement higher in price. So all we need to do is to allow the market to trade, allow the market trapper to continue to do his business, and we'll just follow right along with him. So $27 is where the area of restriction is. So keep your eyes open on that, because he may not be able to crack above that area as we continue to see the market trade throughout this week. Okay, so TP the market, shave a little bit off around $27 for restriction, just to acknowledge that. But we're still going to continue to play the market strength generally overall for Nikola Motors. This is it, real simple to see and understand. We are explaining to you precisely how the environment works in the stock market. So make sure you follow us. Make sure you join us on our website, HueFinancial.com, in order to make sure you stay ahead of the game, because that's what we're doing. We're outmaneuvering our competition in the stock market. We're beating them to the punch so we can profit right along with them, or at best maintain profitability, because we're able to see the traps that the guy at the bottom left side of my screen is trying to lay out for you. Join us. All right, that's it. Make sure you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I'm out.